guys, and welcome back to HQ, and today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble the Pyraminx. Okay, first you got to take one of the tips off, and then you get a screwdriver and take the screw out of the Pyraminx. Okay, now it can come out. Then after that, this layer comes off. And then these pieces come off, and that's the hard part on assembling the Pyraminx. Okay, now it's disassembled, we can assemble it. Okay, first you put this piece in like that. Maybe you could do this. Okay, do you do this? Okay. Yep, you do that. That is a cool trick. Okay, now we got this layer on. Okay, now we put these pieces on. Then we put the centerpiece on. Okay, then you put this piece on. And then you put the screw in. Then put the screw in like this. And until, okay, and that's all we have for today. Bye.